to you.
Hello again, guys. I'm here with Joseph. I'm in his channel. Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surf. Here you go, Steve. Or not. Joey, yeah. So Joey's gonna be playing first, then I'll go. Sorry for the noise in the background.
It's just they're doing dishes. And Dusty's being annoying.
Jasmine pooped in the shower.
And she threw it on the wall.
Then she ate it with the dog.
But you know one thing? And then she farted on the wall.
Dad, it's the spot in front of me.
And then she smacked her in her face.
She smacked. Yeah, she smacked.
So you
it.
might want to watch this YouTube channel. Everybody who was a baby or a kid, watch this. Oh my gosh. And go. Wait, I forgot to choose my character. Really?
I don't know where you went. Put the lights off.
Got to go around the back seat, so you're an athlete, nasty on top of the buffet.
I shot top like a
I
buffet.
don't know.
Chop shape, body repeats.
Sorry for the noise in the background. Hey, you know we can play a double game? Hey, you know we can play a double game?
Oh.
Alright, I'm getting off this game and then go back on.
Oh, here.
Do you?
Nah.
Watch me get 100.
I think she did. Yeah, because her butt is small.
Ow.
Who?
It's huge.
Hey guys, Jasmine
It
put your
was
shot
yesterday,
on the
like
wall.
5 minutes ago, it was like this.
Then she farted 8 of
It
the
was like
dog.
this.
Yay. Oh gosh.
This is gonna be go wrong.
I like my
Sorry for not talking.
Yeah, we get in the zone.
So guys,
Leave your feedback in the comments.
likes, subscribe, follow us on Twitter.
My turn.
It's Jules' turn.
I know you love me. What?
Hey, you gotta save my money.
They're all over doing a Snapchat.
Who is?
Hey, Joel.
Yep.
When Christian comes home from his dad, Joel will make a YouTube channel with him on here. Hey, don't use those. I saved those.
You have 55.
They have a lot, don't I?
Yeah.
I forgot I have one. What's that for?
Get my slushie.
Okay.
Adios.
Guys, we just got a key.
You guys know we haven't had in forever?
These
Dairy
nuts. Oh,
Hey,
okay.
guys, you know what
Maybe
thing?
that's where you went.
You know what the baddest thing in the whole world? Jasmine pooped.
In the shower.
But she farted on the wall and she threw it on the wall.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. Don't use the key. Open your mystery box. I hope you get something good.
Another one.
That sucks. Double up. Nice.
Sure, yeah. Yeah.
You see how much money you got? Wait.
2,200.
Fun. Sorry, guys. Hey, Joel and Watson. Hey, that's me. That's Brenna. I don't like this character. Okay, we're gonna be using him today.
Today.
Hey, Joel, why does it say 2?
Because you have 2 new ones you haven't checked out yet. This one. And there's one more. There should be.
New.
Oh, my foot split.
Should be a new one.
Wait, what? They tricked us? New.
And there should be a new board too.
So do we have boards for people?
Yeah, this one. I think. Maybe.
You know they all go away when the new don't have them.
Yep.
I ain't ran that.
If you have them, they go away again.
No, like this, and you're upside
1,
down.
2, 3, 4, 5.
No,
You know you can't buy these. You can't get these until you get the character.
Let's end the video here.
no. I'm too scared.
No, you gotta say your outro. You gotta say.
Bye, guys.
You're not
We're
upside down.
leaving.
Right here.
Oh my God, Joey, that's you.
Bottles popping bottles.